miss you, Lion Vlog TV. Hello mga kalayon. Welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy and abide your community guidelines. Learn more. So, let's welcome. Good evening. Good morning, good afternoon all over the world, and most likely, good evening here in the Philippines. I'm Lion Vlog TV. We wish you to all subscriber, follower, subscriber in my YouTube. We wish you to us, no? So ngayon lang ako pag-live no, Lion Vlog TV. Big love shout out sa ating mga walang sawang sumuporta sa ating mga kaibigan. Like this, no? Thank you so much sa lahat. Welcome.